Welcome to part 64 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning about adjective order. In English, adjectives go in a specific order. Native speakers follow this order without thinking. But it sounds wrong if you change it. A wooden big brown box sounds strange. A big brown wooden box sounds natural. So what is the correct order? Remember this sequence: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. You can remember it as OSASCOMP. Let's work through some examples. Opinion comes first: beautiful, lovely, horrible, delicious. Then size: big, small, tall, tiny, long. Then age: old, young, ancient, new. Then shape: round, square, oval, rectangular. Then color: red, blue, golden, dark. Then origin: French, Chinese, Italian, Scottish. Then material: wooden, leather, metal, cotton. Then purpose or qualifier: running shoes, sleeping bag. Let's build a phrase together. A beautiful, small, old, round, red, Italian glass vase. That uses 7 adjectives in perfect order. In real life, you rarely use more than 2 or 3. A lovely old French clock. 2 big black dogs. A small wooden table. Each of those sounds perfectly natural. The good news: your ear will tell you if it's wrong. With practice, the right order will feel natural. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.